What is going on, guys? We have a interesting video. I don't know how this is gonna go, but I picked up a Dragy yesterday, and you guys have been asking, like, what is this thing that kind of shows all this GPS stuff on there and kind of times everything. It's called the Dragy. It's a pretty cool unit. I'll have a link down in the description if you want to pick it up. It's only like 150 bucks. And we're gonna go ahead and use that. You saw previously we did a 5.5 60-130. All these tests are done in Mexico with a professional stunt driver, but we're gonna go head out to Mexico and see if we can lower the tire pressure, change the Viking shock settings. Dion gave me some different settings to try. Dion over at BMR, shout out to him, he is awesome. But we're gonna see if we can get this thing to hook up, because right now, every time I've tried to get on it, second gear just blows the tires off and third gear kind of bogs. So hopefully we can get it to hook up in second gear. If it hooks up in second gear, game on. I mean, we should be well into the 460-130. There's some people who are hating and all that stupid stuff, but this car is fast. The 100 to 150 time shows it with a 4.86, I think, which is very fast. So we're gonna go ahead and try it. I'm gonna lower the tire pressure because I think it's up at 30 right now. That was only for the dyno that we did up in Myrtle Beach. And then we're gonna lower or change the shock settings. So let's go ahead and try it. All right, so, well, I was gonna try to show you guys this, but I kinda need two hands. So it's up around 25 PSI right now. We're gonna drop it down to 20. All right, so that took much longer than I thought. Tire pressure, 20 PSI. Full with E85. I had to go run to the store real quick and rig up a funnel. Duct tape, the stock little fill neck, and a funnel. Rig that up. Works good with those VP jugs. So we should be good to go test it as long as it doesn't rain in Mexico. A lot of people asking about my IATs. How are they? This car just gets hot and it kind of stays hot. So you see, if I lay into the throttle a little bit, it'll start to lower a little bit, but as soon as I get off the throttle, it skyrockets. So I think it really needs something addressed in the cooling system. I don't know exactly what we're gonna do, but you know, right now it is pretty hot out, so you know, but it gets hot. That's pretty much it. A lot of spin. A lot of spin. Quarter mile. 60. No chance on that one. 60. Spinning third. What the f? 5.56, spin in second, spin in third. How are we gonna make this thing hook? I don't know. All right, we're gonna try third here. 509. Oh, and it bogs so much in third gear too. And it's spinning. Oh, we're so close to the fours. It'd probably be even closer if it was like, I don't know, like a little bit cooler out. I mean, it's like 90 degrees. It's fun. In third. Jesus. Oh my God. What's gonna make this thing hook? I don't know. It spun.
60-100 mile.
Just starts spinning. Why?
Half mile. 60.
Spinning third now. What the heck? No chance. No chance. Maybe it's just so humid outside. I don't know. I can't get any traction. It hasn't rained, but this thing just keeps spinning like crazy. All right, so I don't think we're gonna get any better luck than that. It seems to just start spinning in third gear. It didn't rain, but it's acting like the ground is wet. So we're gonna head back and we'll talk to you guys a little bit when we get back. The idle on this thing sounds great. AC on. Just cruising right now. So when we get back from Mexico, we'll give you guys a little update. All right, so we made it back from the long drive from Mexico. A lot of you guys were asking about this, the Dragy. So it's a physical device. It connects to Bluetooth on your phone. That's just a charger cable that's connected to it. Put this in your car or on the outside or whatever you want to do, and it connects to GPS, and then it gives you all the cool stuff on your phone. So the Dragy app, a little advertisement, you connect it there, you're able to see your video and your previous stuff. You're able to export it. Here's that 5.09 that we just did. Adds everything on. It's super cool. I definitely really like it. If you guys want to pick one up, I have a link in the description. I know a lot of people were asking about it. Someone was also asking about the bush. I just trimmed it a little bit, but I do pay someone to do my landscaping, but I guess they weren't doing that. So I trimmed it myself. I'm gonna have them touch it up. I did it by hand because I don't have any landscaping tools because I don't do landscaping stuff. So as you can see from those 60-130s, the car's fast. It starts spinning in third gear on like 100 miles an hour, and second gear it just does not hook. So we're gonna have to make some adjustments, whether that's a new tire. If you guys have suggestions for tire, we are running a 28-inch 275 Radial Pro on the back, which is a 15-inch. You know, I've had good luck with ET Street R tires. Now, when we do go to the track, we're gonna be running a Hoosier QTP. It's one of my favorite tires I've ran at the track. The ET Street R bias ply is a close second. However, for the street, I typically prefer a drag radial. So I've been considering, and me and Cody have been kind of talking, Cody_54 on Instagram. His car's gonna be sweet, but we've been talking, and we looked at 373, and in terms of, I really want this car to be a really good 60 roll car. Sounds like a high roll, but you know, 60 roll, 50 roll, something like that. And the 28-inch tall tire with the 331 makes third gear kind of slow, and second gear is just insane. So we were thinking about trying to do a 26-inch tire on the back. With our calculations on the Tremec website with the gear calculator, with the 26, it would put a third gear ending at 130 miles an hour, which right now it ends at about 140. It would probably pick up quite a bit in third gear acceleration, but shouldn't spin like second gear. So I think a 26-inch tire is going to be my next step to try. Probably a drag radial. We'll try it out and see what happens. Right now it's just spinning so much. I would guess this thing's easily in the 4-second 60-130, probably a 4.5 or so, maybe even better on the track. But to try to get a 4-second 60-130 on the street with a manual car, it's pretty difficult. And for anyone who's saying this car is slow, you're crazy. And there are some people saying go switch to Lund. That has nothing to do with anything. Palm Beach Dyno is the best. So I'm not switching to Lund. The car is fast. It's just about making the car stick on the street, which is very, very difficult in a high horsepower, high torque, PD blower manual car. And I'm not making excuses. I'm just telling you what we are doing to make it better and get it ready to do some street runs with you know, Street Speed 717, and whatever other cars that are competitive with this. Hopefully we can find some local cars that are somewhat competitive with this, because that'd be a lot of fun. But anyway, guys, make sure you slap the like button down below. I know you want to see a lot of GT500 content, and it's coming. It just takes time to kind of figure out this brand new setup. So hit the like button down below, leave a comment, let us know what you think. Hit the subscribe button if you guys want to pick up Mustang Lifestyle stickers. We have the America ones right there. Go ahead, check them out, and we'll see you in the next one.